Good morning, y'all. The third big day here in Florida. Today we're in Ocala, Florida, however you say it. We're doing Silver Springs River Float. So we got here, it was way more busy than we were expecting, but we've already stood in line and got our tickets. So we're just waiting for the rest of our group to kind of get here. There's probably about 12 or 15 of us. But let me turn you around. If you come to Silver Springs, you want to get here early. Yeah, so this is just the line just to grab your tickets. And it's kind of good. The line has gone down since we first jumped in it. But my suggestion is to get here earlier than we did. We're here, it's about 11:30, 12 o'clock. So I would say get here earlier. But we're gonna do Silver Springs today. We're expecting manatee and alligators and monkeys here at Silver Springs today. Pretty exciting. So we'll catch you again when we put on the river. All right, we are on the water. There are so many of us. I think those are all my people over there. So I'm gonna cut across the water. But look at this view through the palm fronds. How pretty. Very tropical, huh? Yeah, we got a few more. That's none of our bunch. Oh no, that's Steve. There's Steve in the water. And still a couple more coming down. Scotty and Bill and Deb and Jason, they're helping everybody get in, so. We almost got them. Let's run down here and meet up with our bunch. Oh gosh, look at this water, y'all. Oh, well, we got Shelly going on over here. And then Steve and Marla over there. Scotty kicked back in the middle. Tim over here. Oh, let me do it again. Tim over here to my right. There are so many people on the water. And some of our bunch is still on the ramp waiting their turn to get in. But here at Silver Springs, everybody puts in here. A lot of people will go down a mile or two, turn around, and come back up and take out here. But we're gonna head on down river. Maybe we'll beat some of the crowd after a couple of miles, and we've got another takeout spot that we're gonna do. So we're gonna do the most of the river today.
I think if I lean forward.
Okay, y'all, we have two turtles right here. And that's about the size of the one we saw yesterday, isn't it? Oh, look at it. All right, so the two turtles, and then here on the bank, we got a gator. We hadn't been on the water 30 minutes yet. We've seen everything. Well, manatees. We still need to see manatees. Oh, yes! Yeah, all 5 of them are swimming up. Oh my goodness. They're doing like a little whale. They're trying to figure out how to get on your boat.
Yeah, that's exactly what we're trying to do.
Look at that pretty.
Ain't getting close enough you can jump. Looks like you can jump.
Exactly. Look at them.
Y'all are going to share these videos, right?
Yes. Yeah! All right, y'all. We have had to pull over. I kept feeling like my kayak was listing a little, like 2 miles back. Yeah. But we pulled out ahead of the bunch and we're making our own little, oh, honey bun, oh, whoop, shoot, 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 shoot.
Is that all we lost?
I think so. Let's hold up here.
Is that?
Batteries.
Is that?
Dang. I'm done here.
Her boat filled up with water. She was sinking.
Oh yeah, for sure. We probably hit 3 miles by this time. We were paddling pretty hard to get ahead so we could do this and not hold everybody up. Alrighty. GoPro. It's still recording. Alright, we got all the water out. We're gonna put back on the Silver Springs. See if we can make it to the takeout point before it fills again. I didn't know you were behind me. We made it to the takeout point here at Ray Wayside Park. We got everything loaded up back there. Pretty easy paddle. It was a very fun paddle. I mean, you saw all the critters we found in here. My kayak did fill up with water again before we made it back here. Well, it was a little nerve-wracking for me. I'm not used to a handicapped little kayak, but my ride is fixing to leave me. We have had a great time here at Silver Springs, and I would recommend this float for anybody.